Have you ever questioned the effectiveness of traditional education? The routine of textbooks and lectures often leaves us yearning for something more engaging, more tangible. This is where the revolutionary world of maker education comes in, breaking away from conventional methods to foster creativity, innovation, and direct, hands-on learning. It integrates essential skills like problem solving and collaboration, leveraging cutting-edge technology not just to teach, but to inspire. This isn't just an exploration of maker education's definition, it's an invitation to dive into its practice, to experiment, and to view education from a refreshing perspective. As we embark on this journey, you'll see how maker education is shaping the future of learning. Stay tuned as we uncover the vast potential of this educational evolution. Innovation and creativity sit at the heart of maker education, a transformative learning approach that's reshaping how education is perceived and delivered. Imagine a classroom without walls, where learners transform into creators. At the core of maker education is an emphasis on creative thinking, urging students to think beyond conventional methods and fostering a culture where innovation and critical analysis thrive. With technology integration, students gain the skills to turn abstract ideas into tangible projects, mastering digital competencies crucial in today's world. Globally, schools and community centers are embracing makerspaces, vibrant hubs of creativity where learners tackle projects ranging from robotics to sustainable gardening. These experiences bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application, fostering a passion for exploration and resilience in facing challenges. Yet, the journey toward full integration of maker education brings its set of challenges, including resource allocation and curriculum adaptation, all while ensuring equitable technology access. As we navigate these obstacles, we explore the profound impact of maker education on students and educators alike, championing a journey towards a more engaged, solution-oriented generation. The question now shifts from if to how we can broaden the reach of maker education, paving the way for a future brimming with innovation and creative solutions. As we conclude our exploration of maker education, we're faced with a visionary outlook on the future of learning. This journey illuminates a significant paradigm shift, demonstrating that education extends beyond traditional confines to embrace creativity, problem-solving, and a joy for discovery. Envision a future where learning transcends textbooks, becoming a hands-on, immersive experience that equips learners for the challenges of the real world. In this future, educators are mentors, guiding students through a journey of exploration. The adoption of maker education showcases the benefits of this approach. Students who are not only knowledgeable, but empowered to innovate, and educators inspired to cultivate curiosity. Looking ahead, we possess the collective power to reimagine and transform the education system, cherishing and nurturing the maker spirit in every learner. This is not the end, but the beginning of a perpetual discovery journey. Together, let's sculpt a future of learning that embraces and extends the ideals of maker education.